This is Story of Turkey. Recep Tayyip Erdogan is the current president of Turkey. Ankara is the capital city of Turkey. The official language of Turkey is Turkish, which is the most widely spoken of the language in the Turk family. The emblem of Turkey contains the crescent and the star symbol of Islam in red, and it is adaptation of the national flag. Oil well stealing is the national sport of Turkey. In this sport, well steerers cover themselves with oil. This is the grey wolf. Grey wolf is the national animal of Turkey. Turkey economy and social development performance since 2000 has been impressive, leading to increased development and incomes, and making Turkey an appear middle-income country. However, in the past few years, growing economy, vulnerability, and most challenging external environment have threatened to undermine those achievements. Turkey country that occupies a unique geographic position, lying partly in Asia or partly in Europe. Throughout its history, it has acted as both barriers and bridge between the two continents. Turkey has a total area of 7,83,562 square, 3,20,535 square miles. Turkey is approximately 99.8% Muslim. Most Turks and Kurds are Sunni, but they are also important allies and Shia groups. Turkish Islam has always been strongly influenced by the mystical and the poetic Sufi tradition, and Turkey remains a stronghold of Sufism. Islam in Turkey is the largest religion in the country. The established presence of Islam in the region that now constitutes modern Turkey dates back to later half of the 11th century. When the Seljuks started expanding into eastern Anatolia. Turkey is founding member of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Formerly the Organization of Islamic Conference, the headquarters of some Islamic organizations are located in Turkey.